Hello dear learners, how do you do? I hope you guys are quite safe and sound. Guys, هل تريد أن تتعلم اللغة العربية معي؟ مع السيد عبد المهيمن. هيا بنا نتعلم اللغة العربية. لا مشكلة، معي أنتم تريدون أن تتعلموا اللغة العربية. أنا هنا سأدرسكم اللغة العربية بطريقة ممتازة مختلفة إن شاء الله. أنتم ستتعلمون اللغة العربية معي تماما بالضبط حرفا. Okay, in this video guys, we are going to learn Arabic demonstrative words and their practice. Okay, here in this spoken session, you are going to learn with me Arabic spoken and Arabic speaking classes. Please start and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new one, and please like, share and comment the video, and please try to connect more guys with us so that they could learn Arabic nicely and excellently in a different way, freely. Thank you. So guys, in this session here we have demonstrative pronoun for male. This haza, that zalika for male. And for female, demonstrative pronoun for female, this hazihi, that tilka. And for their practice, I have told you in previous video, and some regard we are going to learn as well their practices for male and female wise. Only take 2 or 3 examples. Okay, here what is this for male? Mahaza, this is a book. Haza kitabun, this is a pen. Haza qalamun, this is a chair. Haza kursiyun. Lot of examples. You memorize our word sections and go to our word playlist. Okay, and then memorize the words male female wise. Okay, and then you practice. Okay, here as what is that? Ma zalika, what is that? Zalika kitabun, that is a book. Zalika kursiyun, that is a chair. Zalika kalbun, that is a dog. Zalika kittun, that is a cat. Okay, here we are going to learn regarding female. What is this? Ma hazihi, this is a car. Hazihi sayyaratun, this is a room. Hazihi ghurfatun, here this is a fan. Hazihi mirwahatun. And in terms of female, what is that? Ma tilka, that is a copy. Tilka kurrasatun, that is a copy. That is a tree. Tilka shajaratun, that is a garden. Tilka hadikatun. In this regard, we have learned demonstrative pronoun male, male haza, this, and zalika, that. Okay, and for female this hazihi and that tilka. Got? Here haza, this for singular, and hazihi for singular. Haza this, hazihi this, meaning wise same in English, but in Arabic there is a difference between these two words. Haza, hazi, haza for male, hazi for female, and zalika tilka, that meaning same in English. Zalika and tilka, zalika male, tilka for female. Okay, and in this video we have learned demonstrative pronoun singular wise. If you want to make their dual, so it will be what? Haza, hazane, only you will have to put alif nun. Okay, and hazihi hatane, this was something different. Okay, and zalika zanika, tilka tanika. Okay, and plural in case of haza, hazihi, the plural will be same for male and female. Haulae. And zalika, tilka, plural will be same as well. Ulaika, for male and female same. In this video, that much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please like, share and comment. Okay, thank you for having me. See you in the next video. Thank you.